Not able to install Python packages, SSL, TLSV1_alert_protocol_version. I am trying to install a Python library using pip, getting an SSL error. Pip version, pip 9.0.1. How do I fix this error?
Upgrade pip as follows. Note, you may need to use Python above if not in a virtual environment. Note that upgrading pip using pip, i.e. pip install upgrade pip, will also not upgrade it correctly. It's just a chicken and egg issue. Pip won't work unless using TLS is greater than or equal to 1.2. As mentioned in this detailed answer, this is due to the recent TLS deprecation for pip. Python.org sites have stopped support for TLS versions 1.0 and 1.1. From the Python status page. Completed, the rolling brownouts are finished, and TLSV 1.0 and TLSV 1.1 have been disabled. April 11th, 1537 UTC. For PyCharm, virtualenv users. Run virtual environment with shell. Replace /venv/bin/activate to your own path. Run upgrade. Restart your PyCharm instance, and check your Python interpreter in preference.
But if the call command itself fails with error, or TLSV1 alert protocol version persists even after upgrading pip, it means your operating system's underlying OpenSOL library version 1.0.1 or Python version 2.7.9 or 3.4 in Python 3 do not support the newer TLS 1.2 protocol that pip needs to connect to Pippy since about a year ago. You can easily check it in Python interpreter. The attribute era, instead of expected 5, means your Python's lib SSL module, compiled against old OpenSOL lib, is lacking support for the TLSV 1.2 protocol, even if the OpenSOL library can or could be updated later. Fortunately, it can be solved without upgrading Python and the whole system by manually installing extra Python packages. The detailed step-by-step guide is available here on Stack Overflow. Note, curl and pip and Rouge all depend on the same OpenSOL lib for establishing SSL connections. Use $OpenSOL version command. libcurl supports TLS 1.2 since curl version 7.34, but older curl versions should be able to connect if you had OpenSOL version 1.0, 2 or later. PS for Python 3, please use Python 3 and pip 3 everywhere, unless you are in a venv/virtualenv, including the curl command from above, $curl this URL, Python 3 user.
Following it, Anupam's answer on OSX resulted in the following error for me, regardless of permissions I ran it with. Could not install packages due to an environment error, Erno 13, permission denied. What eventually worked was to download a newer pip package, 9.0.3, from Pippy directly from my browser. This URL, extract the contents, and then pip install the package locally. This fixed my SSL column TLSV1_alert_protocol_version Errors.
At Anupam's solution worked for me. However, I had to use sudo and specify the exact location of my virtual Python environment.
How to